Hey, welcome to this episode of Our American Travel. It's good to see you again.
Yes, it is.
What's this episode about?
This episode is about our spring break trip to Asheville, North Carolina, and we went to the North Carolina Arboretum.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
It was very beautiful. I mean, it was still winter when we were there.
Yeah, it's kind of cold though when we were there.
A little cool. It wasn't freezing like it was the year before. A lot of things hadn't bloomed yet because it was still cool.
Yeah, we were a couple of weeks early probably.
Yeah, but it's still beautiful. I think every season there would be beautiful.
So take a look. I hope if you're in the Asheville area, you'll check out the Arboretum. It's a beautiful place. Mm-hmm. And thanks for watching.
One thing I love about the North Carolina Arboretum is its amazing location. The Arboretum is a 434-acre public garden located within the Bent Creek Experimental Forest of the Pisgah National Forest, just south of downtown Asheville, North Carolina. It's very easy to get to. You can go either by the Blue Ridge Parkway or on Interstate 26. And it's surrounded by the Southern Appalachian Mountains. A beautiful location. Another great thing about the Arboretum are their hiking trails. The Arboretum has 10 miles of hiking trails that connect to many other area attractions such as Lake Powhatan, the Pisgah National Forest, and the Blue Ridge Parkway. And visitors of all ages and abilities can enjoy hiking here because it offers different trail options, and they include easy, moderate, and difficult challenge labels. All trails are dog friendly. Another great thing about the Arboretum is the cost. It only costs $20 per standard vehicle to get into the Arboretum. And its hours are 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. from April to October, and 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. November through March. "65 acres of cultivated gardens, including the Bonsai Exhibition Garden and the National Native Azalea Collection, accredited by the Plant Collections Network." The Arboretum has a really cool little train village with lots of track and miniature trains. It's one of our grandson's favorite things. The trains only run on weekends, so they weren't available when we were there, but it was still really fun to look at all the different trains. We found a little Thomas train over there, and he had a really good time looking for all the different colors of engines that he could find. To the Arboretum, it was March. We were on spring break, and it was a little bit cool, and they did not have the bonsai trees out for the bonsai exhibit. I would love to go back in a different season to see them, but it was still really an amazing exhibit to go see the bonsai exhibit. They still have some things out that you can look at about what's included in bonsai gardens and how they are made, and things like that. It was just a beautiful, peaceful area.
I think it's more than a hex. How about octa? I think it's a hex or octa.
It's a hexagon. He's right. There's 6 sides. Just counted them. There you go, Clark. What are the pictures of? Arboretum also offers guided trail walks from April through October. These are free walks limited to 15 people, and they are available at 1 p.m. on Tuesdays and 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Saturdays. Walks are first come, first served, and you can sign up at the Visitor Center when you enter the Arboretum. Thanks for watching this episode of Our American Travel.
We're so glad you came along and joined us. Hopefully you got something out of this and you'll go visit the Arboretum.
If I lived in North Carolina, I would get the membership because it's pretty inexpensive.
Yeah, it's inexpensive and you can go all the time.
All year, yeah.
And so if you're anywhere nearby there or there often, you should do that.
Mm-hmm.
Are they members like other things? Like you can be a member of something, say Nashville, and still be able to get into the Arboretum or something. So
our daughter and son-in-law are members of the Marbles Museum in Raleigh, and they were able to get in under that membership.
Yeah, and I think they have a veterans discount as well.
Yes.
So a lot of great things about it. So,
but you just pay per car; it's not that expensive.
Yeah. So again, as always, we'd love it if you like and subscribe to our channel and like this video. It helps us out a lot. And remember, you might want to hit that notification bell as well. Remember, it is
all about the journey
to infinity and beyond.